Guys, welcome to my channel Meher Vlogs, the Hungry Biker. So today we are going to make Methi Mutter Aloo, and that will be with a twist. The twist, I will explain you what the twist exactly is once we are going ahead with this recipe. So this is really simple recipe. We have taken some chopped onions, some methi, and some tomatoes, like two tomatoes finely chopped. So guys, we will start our pan and we will heat up some oil. So we'll take some cooking oil and let the oil get hotter. So we have taken some cooking oil. Now we have this cut chopped onions, tomatoes, methi, and some green chilies. Okay, so what first we will do is we will put our onions into the hot oil and let it make it nice and translucent. So we will cook this until it is nice and translucent. We are not making it golden brown. So here we can see our onions are nice translucent. So what we will do here is we will add this chopped tomatoes and some green chilies into this, and we will slowly cook this so that the onion and the tomatoes become nice and soft. So we can see here our tomatoes are nicely done. So what we'll do is we'll put the masalas into it. So we'll put salt to taste, then some turmeric, red chili powder. So our masalas have been nicely done, and now what we'll do is we will add aloo mutter and some shrimps. Yeah, shrimps was the special ingredient was which had a twist into it. So and our methi. So we are adding all this methi into it. So methi has been added, and now we will allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes till they are nicely done. If you want, we can also add some sugar so that it doesn't become too bitter, because this methi is really on the bitter side. So I will cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes. So here we can see our prawns and methi are cooking on this stove frame. So I'll close this lid and we'll come back in 15 minutes. So here we can see the oil has started to separate and our shrimps have been prepared and done perfectly. Our methi has been cooked, our green peas and our potato has been cooked really nicely. So what we'll do is we'll switch off this flame and this is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Meher Vlogs, the Hungry Biker. For more such recipes, please do click the bell icon. Thank you.